Welcome back to the NExT Appraisal Tool modules. In this module, we will be discussing question number 5. Are most sources in the literature review current and/or includes classic sources? This type of information is typically found in the introduction section of an article, the discussion section, and in the references. The overall appraisal here is for you as a reader to do a very basic review of the sources being cited in the article. From an evidence-based perspective, current is not as much a reflection of the dates as much as reflecting the progression of what has been learned about that topic. This may be challenging if you're just starting to read evidence on a particular subject. As you read more articles, those sources that are cited routinely from experts become more easily identifiable as classic works. For you as a beginner, look at the reference section. Do the titles appear to be scientific sources from credible journals? Considering the year the article was published, do the sources appear to reflect an appropriate time frame? Again, there is no hard time frame like only in the last 5 years, as that is not necessarily reasonable if the most recent evidence on that topic dates back even further. Here is an example from a published article. Note in this brief example how this author is citing multiple sources pertaining to the cultural adaptation strategy. These sources span out across 10 years and are likely classic works that originally described this strategy. Again, you may not be able to recognize these very easily at first. With additional reading on this topic across other studies, it is likely that you would see Wingood and De Clemente always being cited. Then the classic works become more evident for you. This skill develops with time and continued exposure to the background literature. In forming your appraisal response, decide if you feel the sources cited are from an appropriate time frame for the topic. Subsequent articles will help you build your appraisal skills for this question. As a beginner, focus on if most sources are relevant, appear current, and if certain articles appear to be key sources of evidence, like those classic works. Congratulations, you successfully completed this module. You may return to the main menu or continue to other appraisal modules in the NExT EBP course.